Hi friends, welcome to Elevator Late. This is Anupriya Tirumurthy. Today we are going to take a tour at Chicago's Garfield Park Conservatory. It's one of the largest and most stunning botanical conservatories here in the United States. It's so amazing. It's filled with green luscious plants, trees, ferns, and it's like a rainforest inside. You should definitely check it out. I promise you throughout the video it's going to be so amazing and magical. We especially visited during the springtime when they had the spring flower show, and it was truly colorful just to see the flowers bloom. So magical. As you enter the conservatory, you'll notice this beautiful palm trees, and most of their palm leaves are in different shapes. You will notice some of them are feather shaped, fan shaped, and some of them are even fishtail shaped. Oh, jasmine flowers. We are now inside the Fern Room, which is surrounded by lush fern, rocky outcroppings, mosses, and liverbirds. Many of these plants around that you see here are very old. Most of them grew during the age of dinosaurs about 300 million years ago. That's insane. Pepper, yeah. It is relaxing to sit here and listen to the sounds of the waterfall. Desert house. I thought it would be dry, but this room does not reflect a real desert. They have plants all around from the world. They have plants from Africa, Asia, and Americas. All of them are succulents, a variety of cactus and prickly pear, century plants, many more plants in here. House. The Arrowhead House is a home to popular houseplants. Look at these Persian lilies. They sit gigantically amongst the koi fish and dominate the view of the entire room. Wow, this Persian pool with the Persian lilies look magnificent. Next is the show house that has spectacular flowers in them. Wow, they all look so magical. It reminded me of the Ooty Botanical Gardens. I couldn't resist myself but to stop by and enjoy this beauty of the flowers and click some pictures around.
One day, just to hear a sound, someone still around. She heard me calling, she heard me say her name, but she
Next is the Horticulture Hall. What I loved about the Horticulture Hall is this beautiful tiled mosaic fountain. Being a big fan of mandala, looking at the intricate design and looking at the unique and colorful tile, it was definitely so inspiring art. Conservatory is located in the city, but it's definitely a great scenic escape spot if you want to experience the nature and these beautiful green trees.
Night will turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away.
If you did enjoy this video and liked it so far, don't forget to like us and subscribe. See you soon.